Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Westgame 2 with Google account. Logging into Westgame 2 with Google allows you to save your game progress, access it on multiple devices, and ensure your account is secure. First of all, launch open Westgame 2 game on your device. After you're inside the main game section, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. This will open up the basic info tab. From here, tap on more. From the more menu, select account. On the next page, tap on bind button in yellow and click on bind right next to Google. Enter your Google account's credential or choose your Google account you want to continue to Westgame 2 with. Once you've bound your account, you will be able to receive some rewards. Click on bind to confirm, and there you have it. That is how you can easily link Google account with Westgame 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.